Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, Asad Yaqub here. Let me tell you, in IELTS there is one thing, and that is re-evaluation. Re-evaluation is called EOR, Inquiry on Results. Let me tell you what is Inquiry on Results. You appear in IELTS exam, you get your result, and when you look at the result, you are unhappy. Especially you are unhappy, if you are unhappy with your speaking and writing result, then there is one option which you can take, and that option is called EOR, Inquiry on Results. It means I'm not satisfied with my result. Please let a senior examiner check my writing and speaking again and give me the bench score. Now, unfortunately, there is a fee for EOR, Inquiry on Results, and that fee is almost half IELTS test fee, exactly 50%, right? So, when you apply EOR, what do? Your writing and your speaking, they are evaluated again, and they are evaluated by senior IELTS examiner. And if after senior examiner's evaluation, there is any change in your bench score, most definitely after that they return your money. And if the score remains unchanged, then your money is gone. Okay. One more important point about EOR, like you have to see if there is a difference in your writing and speaking band. For example, your writing band is 6 and speaking band is 7.5, or your writing band is 5.5 and speaking band is 6.5 or 7. Then you can apply for EOR, and there are bright chances. And when you are confident that you really performed well, so this score cannot justify your ability or your skill, then you can go for that. One more thing, do not apply EOR on listening and speaking modules, listening and reading modules, because listening and reading modules are like mathematics. Correct answer, incorrect answer, correct answer, incorrect answer. Okay, so never think of applying EOR on listening and reading modules, right? And one more thing, the outcome of EOR, either the result changes from your current band to improved bench score, right? And otherwise, it is not possible that first they gave you 6 and after EOR you get 5.5. That's not possible. Otherwise, they will just hold your result. Like for example, you got 6 in 2 modules, and after EOR they didn't find any change, it will remain 6. It is not possible that after EOR your bench score will decrease and all that. One of my students from Africa had watched my videos on Inquiry on Result. She appeared in IELTS exam, and after appearing in IELTS exam, when she got her result, her writing bench score, actually, when she got her result, I'll just tell you about the result actually. When she got her result in listening was 7, right? 7 band in listening, and reading bench score was 7.5. But writing band and speaking band, it was less than that. This is the outcome of the EOR. This is the result she got after EOR. But now let me tell you what happened to her result. So we go back and we see what actually happened to the result, right? Let's see. Yes, here we are. Now you can see it's mentioned very clearly the outcome of your remark is as follows, right? Remark or EOR. It is actually called EOR, or they call it remark as well. Writing, the bench score awarded for this module has changed from 6.5 to 7 band. Now, for instance, if you're applying for immigration and you need 7 each, so writing band increased from 6.5 to 7. And to my surprise, and now to your surprise, speaking bench score improved from 6.5 to 7.5. 1 band increment in speaking and half band increment in writing, and this actually worked on overall bench score. So you can see now overall bench score is here. Writing, listening 7, reading 7.5, writing 7.5, and overall bench score is 7.5. Speaking 7.5 already, so 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. right? If someone is from medical profession, they need 7 band each. So this actually fulfills that requirement. So this is one simple example. In order to apply for EOR, you need to contact your test center, and you can apply EOR within 3 weeks after your result. You appear in IELTS test, you got your result. After result, within 3 weeks, you can apply for EOR, and 50% of the test fee is the fee of EOR. And if band scores change, then you get your money back. After 2 to 3 weeks, they give you a bank draft or however they pay, so you receive your money back, and that's it. All the best, guys. Thank you so much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Pakistan, in Lahore, and we offer IELTS test booking service. We offer PTE classes. If you're interested in any of these things, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.